Yo, what's up everyone? Casey here. Hope you're all doing fantastic today. Today we're diving into the world of drones, specifically how to snag one from AliExpress if you're in India. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or just curious, this guide is for you. AliExpress, for those not in the know, is like this massive online marketplace. It's a treasure trove of gadgets, gizmos, and yes, drones. Think of it as a digital bazaar with pretty much everything under the sun. From the latest tech to quirky knickknacks, it's all there. And yeah, that includes some killer drones at prices that won't make your wallet cry. You can find high-quality drones that fit any budget. Now I know what you're thinking. Buying electronics internationally can be a bit daunting. There are concerns about shipping, customs, and the quality of the product, but trust me, with a little guidance, it's a breeze. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can shop with confidence. This essay is your step-by-step playbook to navigating AliExpress like a pro. From setting up your account to making your first purchase, I've got you covered. We're talking everything from finding the perfect drone to handling shipping and customs. I'll also share some tips on what to look out for to ensure you get the best deal. By the end of this, you'll be ready to hit that buy button with confidence. No more second guessing or worrying about the process. So buckle up, grab your virtual shopping cart, and let's get this drone party started. It's going to be an exciting journey, and I can't wait to share it with you. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of buying, let's talk about why AliExpress is a solid choice for drone enthusiasts in India. First off, the sheer variety is mind-blowing. We're talking big-name brands and smaller up-and-coming companies all in one place. This means you're bound to find a drone that fits your budget and your needs, whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting out. But the real kicker? The prices. AliExpress is known for its competitive pricing, often beating out local retailers. This is because they work directly with manufacturers, cutting out the middleman and those pesky markup fees. Alright, enough with the intro. Let's get down to business. Today, we're diving into the world of drones and how to get the best deal on AliExpress. Here's your step-by-step guide to conquering AliExpress and scoring that sweet drone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this guide has got you covered. First things first, head over to aliexpress.com and create an account. If you already have one, just log in. It's super simple and only takes a minute. Just follow the prompts and you'll be set up in no time. Just use your email address and choose a strong password. Boom, you're in. Now let's move on to the exciting part. Now for the fun part, drone hunting. This is where you get to explore all the cool options available. Use specific keywords like DJI drone, FPV racing drone, or drone with camera to narrow your search. This will help you find exactly what you're looking for. AliExpress has this awesome filtering system. You can filter by price, features, shipping options, and even customer ratings. You can sort by price, features, shipping options, you name it. This makes it super easy to find the perfect drone for your needs. This is where you gotta be smart. Take your time to compare different models and prices. Don't just jump on the first drone that catches your eye. Make sure it meets all your requirements. Read the product descriptions carefully, check out the specs, and most importantly, read the reviews. Reviews can give you a lot of insight into the product's performance. See what other buyers are saying. Their experiences can help you make a more informed decision. Happy drone shopping. Section 4. Addressing concerns, customs, returns, and legality. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the concerns. First up, customs. When you're importing something from another country, there are rules and regulations that you need to be aware of. Yes, when you're importing something from another country, there are rules. These rules can vary greatly depending on the country and the type of product you're importing. India has specific regulations about drones, including import duties. These duties can sometimes be quite high, so it's important to do your research beforehand. Make sure you're aware of these before you hit buy to avoid any surprises at the border. Next, returns. What happens if your drone arrives and it's not quite right? What happens if your drone arrives and it's not quite right? Maybe it's damaged. Or perhaps it doesn't meet your expectations. AliExpress has a pretty solid buyer protection program. This program is designed to protect you, the buyer, in case something goes wrong with your purchase. Most sellers offer refunds or exchanges if you're not happy with your purchase. This means you can shop with confidence, knowing that you have options if something goes wrong. Just make sure you understand the seller's return policy before you buy. Finally, legality. Rest assured, buying from AliExpress is completely legal. Rest assured, buying from AliExpress is completely legal. You just have to play by the rules, which means following those import regulations we talked about. By doing so, you can enjoy your new drone without any legal hassles.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually
Section 5. Conclusion, taking flight with your AliExpress drone. So, there you have it. Buying a drone from AliExpress doesn't have to be a headache. With a little research, patience, and this handy guide, you'll be soaring through the skies with your new drone in no time. Just remember to be smart, do your homework, and most importantly, have fun with it. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, peace out.